Oh my freaking god. Soragami, how dare you use the George Pig crying sound effect in your video like this? You know that the George Pig crying is so annoying and made us everyone cry. You should use the heartsping crying sound effect.
Did you listen to us? No, I felt lazy. Sounds George crying sound effect from Peppa Pig in the video episodes. Don't use a free sound baby crying sound effect, baby Kate crying sound effect, and the kids cheering sound effect.
You are going to setting on the Hasbro Studio logo.
This is your punishment for using the George Pig crying sound effect.